This is Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Ag update for September 22nd. The corn market traded lower yesterday as harvest progress continues to apply pressure to the market. We are seeing rains across portions of the eastern corn belt, but the extended forecasts show favorable conditions for harvest across the entire corn belt, and that should keep pressure on the prices. At the close yesterday, the December futures were 4 3/4 cents lower as they settled at $5.17 per bushel. Soybeans started out lower yesterday, but buyers stepped in when the rumor that China had purchased several cargoes of beans for November shipment swept through the market. The buying propelled beans to a higher close, with the November futures 11.5 cents higher, ending the session at $12.74. Wheat struggled against bearish technical indicators and a larger Russian crop. The Russian ag consultancy Sovikan raised its forecast for Russia's 21 wheat crop to 75.6 million metric tons. That's up 200,000 tons from their previous estimate. Yields are up 18% from last year in Siberia, with production in Siberia expected to be 10.7 million metric tons. That's the largest crop they've had in that portion of Russia in 12 years. At the close, Minneapolis December futures were 6 1/4 cents lower, settling at $8.87 3/4 per bushel. Kansas City was 9.5 cents lower, closing at $6.90 and Chicago futures were down 10.5 cents for the day, ending the session at $6.90 1/4. Corn had a bit of a bounce after the previous day's debacle. At the finish, the December futures were 101 points higher, closing at 90.03. Livestock futures were lower straight across the board. At the close, October live cattle were 32.5 cents lower, closing at $122.45. October feeder cattle were down a nickel, settling at $156.62.5 per hundredweight. October lean hog futures gave up a bit of ground as well. They were 60 cents lower for the session, closing at 84.37.5 per hundred. Class 3 milk futures enjoyed a really nice breakout to the upside from their recent trading range. At the close, we had October futures 32 points higher, settling at 17.42. And meat cutout values were all lower for the day. Choice box beef ended the day down $4.29, closing at $311.37. Select boxes were $2.74 lower, settling at $278.01. Pork carcass cutout values lost ground as well. They closed down 13 cents, settling at $102.89 per hundredweight. This has been Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Ag update. We'll be right back with more financial issues after this.